Grab your safety goggles because we're learning how science plays a major role in one local brewery.
One at a time, beer fills each can in this assembly line. The liquid you see requires careful measured proportions and precise data.
The actual creation of the beer is very science heavy.
Nick Walker is the owner of Ology Brewery.
I come from a science background, so biology and psychology and chemistry and all that, and really a lot of brewing is science.
A skill and passion, Walker says, inspired the idea behind every sip and even the name. His dad and grandfather were both sensory researchers in Tallahassee, with his dad specializing in smell and his grandfather taste.
The whole idea of marrying smell and taste, the study and science behind it, ology being like psychology, biology, that suffix, and now it's the study of beer and how does it come together.
Before opening his brewery, Walker spent 10 years using his love for science to homebrew his own beer.
It's fairly science intensive in all the process that happens. There's a lot of little steps that really matter, down to taking grain and pulling out sugars, converting those starches into sugars, and then yeast taking those sugars, converting them into alcohol.
With this knowledge, Walker has been able to create specialty beer like Ology's hazy IPAs to even fermenting his own liquor. Walker says no matter how big they grow, brewing this beer in his childhood city has always been the dream.
And I think it's been a huge thing to be able to supply really high quality beer to a market that I love, and a place that I love, community that I love. We have our kids here and families here. It's home. So it's nice to know that we can bring something that we truly love to the city.
And that makes this brewery an experiment and experience that is totally Tallahassee.
If you know a person or a place that you feel is totally Tallahassee, we want to know about it here at Sunrise Weekends. You can put your submission under the Totally Tallahassee tab. That's at the top of our website, WTXL.tv.